Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin dropping more, came down to 59. It made a lower low than the day before. This was on the low of the Iran news. It made a lower low. We're getting a bit of a bounce back to 61, but a little bit dangerous for Bitcoin. This was the volume on the weekend. Then this was the volume since the weekend opened. Quite big volume. We're getting a bit of a bounce back to 61. We came down to a low of 59. That could be a double bottom. We're going to jump into the technicals. You can see everyone talking in the chat. Telegram, market cap 2.2 trillion, 204,000 Bitcoin price.live. Viewers, 204,000. You can join them, set up the charts on the TV, Bitcoin price.live. You can see here the last few minutes, 15-minute candles. We're getting a bounce back on Bitcoin. It could be, I wouldn't consider this a double bounce, but we'll check on the technicals. You get a 60K bonus when you sign up to Bybit using this QR code, $60,000 bonus. And now the WSOT has started, the World Series of Trading. There's a $10 million prize pool, $10 million prize pool. So let's win it, the WSOT. Sign up with the link in the description and join our team. We're in fear. We went from greed to fear very quickly after the war. Bitcoin dominance 53%, funding fee 0.00, almost negative. Bitcoin 60,800, getting a bounce back. A lot of buyers coming in, pushing it up. Interesting. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my account, my trades, and my buys, and we'll do Ethereum technicals. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're jumping into the technicals for Bitcoin. We go into the weekly charts. You can see big pullback this week. Huge weekly pull on this candle from 65 down to 59. Stochastic is turning down, everyone. Most likely we do come to 50K, the bottom of this channel. We were looking very bullish. We look like we could break out here, and then Israel attack and Iran attack war, and then we've dropped down after that escalation. War is not good for the markets, everyone. Very bad for all of our portfolios. Pray for people and also for peace. It's crazy that this keeps happening in 2024. Buy Bitcoin indicator bot fire to buy on Bitcoin on February 13th, 2023 at 20K. Still a blue buy now, hasn't fired a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell last week. Let's go into the daily. On the daily, Bitcoin getting a little bit of a pushback right now. Stochastic oversold, trying to turn up. Hasn't turned up, trying to turn up. Squeeze mob going towards red. Interesting. Most likely, we've got a big support area here at 58K, 59. But it does look like easily could come and activate at 56. And my main trade at 50,000. These two trades I've got on Bitcoin. This one I've got a 10 Bitcoin trade. This one let's go closer. Big support at 59. You can see we came down. But what's interesting, everyone, we made a lower low. So it looks like at first you think, oh, that's a double bottom. We got a bounce and then a bounce. But it's actually not a double bottom. It's a bounce and then a lower low. We came lower than the war escalation with Iran. In the war escalation with Iran, we came to 60,000. Last night, about 4 hours ago, we came to 59,900. So it made a lower low. That's not a good sign. We are getting some volume coming in, which is good. But again, not such a good sign. Most likely, we're going to get a bounce at 59. That's a big support. 59,472. But I would mainly take the trades at 56K. These are the two trades. One at 56K with the stop loss at 54. Risking. That's the main trade I would take. And then this is the bigger trade I would take at 50,000. Stop loss 48. And that's where I have a 10 Bitcoin trade set up. Those are the two trades I'll take on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video. In the description down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus and join us. Take the courses, jamescryptoguru.com, and join us in the Telegram. Also, Bybit right now has started the World Series of Training. Bybit's global competition is live. World Series of Training. You can scan this QR code or the link in the description to sign up to the main event. The main event starts now till the 31st of October. So we've got 1 month of trading. $10 million prize pool, team maximum reward $563K, individual maximum reward $1,008,000. First 10 users to join get $70 each. You have until the 4th of October. So A few more days. The first 10 users that sign up to join the trading competition, trade minimum 2K volume, you get $70 each. Trade 50K to win a lucky draw, even if P&L minus 100%. So even if you trade and you lose, if you trade 50K, you go into the chance to win a yacht, Rolex, world-class flight tickets, etc. There's a lot of promos for Bybit. This event is happening right now. Sign up with this QR code. Let's go over into my Bybit. Right now, my account's 646. This drop on the Iran-Israel news took a big hit, almost a 90K hit to my account. This month, I'm still up from 565 to 646, so still up about 90K, but I gave back the other 90K. I was up 180K before the war news. That dropped the market, unfortunately. Very not nice for my trades. These were my trades on Bitcoin. This is when I sold Bitcoin at 65, bought Bitcoin at 54, and now we're back here at 60. Would have been nice to sell at 66 and keep 60K profit. I have no active open trades right now. The funding fee is still positive. I've got trades at Bitcoin at 51K, Ethereum at 2,200. I've got 10 Bitcoin at 51K, 93 Ethereum at 2,200, 2,400 Solana at $80, and 2.4 million Doge at 0.08. And you can see my assets, what I'm holding. I bought a little bit. I'm mainly all in cash. So you can see here, I've got around, I've got 646K in this account, and I've got 73K in MCRT, 37K in Bitcoin, what I bought yesterday, World 33K, Uni 27K. So I'm about 60, 90, 100, 173K in assets, 173K, and the rest is cash. So we're talking 450 in just cash. So I'm mainly in the sidelines. I'm only about 25% in the market. The rest is in cash, waiting to buy. And you can see the breakdown of my portfolio. Let's go into Ethereum. And then I'm going to check. Actually, let's read your questions, and then I'll do Ethereum. James, looks like a massive M pattern is forming that could take Bitcoin to 50K. That's exactly my target, Benjamin, as well, for the 10 Bitcoin trade. This video is genuinely inspiring. Embrace your ambitions and unwavering determination. Thank you, Rebecca. I like your graph. First principles only. Thank you. What if it doesn't go lower? It's okay. Still have money to buy any dips. I thought he said we were heading up like a week ago. We were, and then Israel and Iran had a big war. Manipulation, war. Chinese stocks ripping, nothing to do with the war. Chinese stocks are ripping because the Chinese government turned on their printing press because the Chinese economy is in danger. So they started to print a lot of money, and that's why the Chinese economy pumped. Not really, it's like just going up because they're printing regardless of the war. And when that happens to the US markets, when the US turns on its printers again, we will have the same thing, massive pump ups in the markets. Right now, they've got high interest rates to reduce the amount of money in circulation. James, wait at 43.38. If a global war starts, then wait 28.25. Very possible. These wars that are happening are very big deal, everyone. It's not a small deal. Well, Guru, let's go to 52. Love the channel. Let's talk about BNB, James. Yeah, I wanted to do. Thank you, Prince. We'll do it next video. Let's do BNB. Thank you for reminding me. Beautiful. Jumping into BNB, I get thousands of questions per day, everyone. Yesterday I had the last few days I have around 50,000 viewers per daily video in just English. On BNB looks like the same pattern as Bitcoin on the longer term time frame. Looks like a better bull flag though, more sustainable. BNB is more sustainable. Huge bull flag on BNB. If this breaks out in the longer term time frame, the base of the pole is how far BNB can go. So there could be one more pullback, but then we could have a massive move on BNB to $874. I still hold a lot of BNB. To get in on BNB, where would I try to go long? I would do it off major support, but you can see the channel that it's in. It's very clear that it's like 400 and 600, then like 460, then 500, 600, then 460, then 600. So best time to buy will be at the same area. I would go long from here. Tight stop loss and take profit at my target. BNB can have a massive bull run in this bull run. So I'd open at 465. Stop loss would be at 440. So risking $25 per BNB to make $405 per BNB. 16 risk to reward ratio. So if you put $1,000, potential gain 16,000. If you put $100,000, potential gain 16 times. So that's the trade I would take on BNB, which is beautiful. We went in my account. Let's look at X because I posted some cool stuff there. You can follow me on X. I've got 92,000 followers. Warning Bitcoin holders. Yes, that video yesterday, 30,000 views. 2 hours remaining, everyone. So this voting has 1 hour 56 minutes. Do you think that was the floor for Bitcoin this run? This correction. Do you think that was the floor of this Bitcoin correction? Please comment and share. I will choose one person in the comments for 500 USDT. So then this message will go very far and we can see all the global truth on Bitcoin price. Thank you, everyone. 54% Bitcoin will go up. Now, 46%, so it's almost a 50-50 split almost. 1,179 votes, one of the biggest polls. You can win $500. There's less than 1 hour 55 minutes. Go on X and vote right now. 3 hours ago, Bitcoin made a lower low than when the war was announced. Tesla, this is interesting for anyone who's holding Tesla like me. Wait, are Tesla robots about to deliver McDonald's? If so, rest in peace to Uber Eats. Chat's about to pop off at 10:10. McDonald's posted this, then Elon Musk laughing. Interesting. Tesla dropped 4%, then good recovery. They released their vehicles. They beat expectations, but Wall Street was not happy after the war. The market's still dropping down. October, crypto investors, Iran versus Israel. When everyone was saying October, that was something to be worried about. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. That was Bitcoin, BNB. I'll do Ethereum in the next video. If you have any tickers you'd want me to analyze, let me know below. Right now, I'm mainly in cash in the crypto markets. I still hold BNB and altcoins. I'm a seed investor, so I have almost 100 projects that I'm invested in my company, in my VC. But right now on this trading account, mainly in cash, except those few assets that you saw. And I've got buy orders laddered down. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.